Hello everyone, today I want to show you about how to add vector and raster data into QGIS. First, click Layer. Add Layer. This is for Add Vector Layer. And this is for Add Raster Layer. For example, Landsat data, Sentinel data and so on. And for vector layer, we can add shapefile such as point, line and polygon. Now we click it to add polygon. From here, you have to go find your data directory from your computer. Please find where you store your data. Select the point, line or polygon which you want to add. And click Open. Click Add. And Close. Now your polygon data is showed on the QGIS desktop. You can use Select or Dis-Select from here to display and remove the data. Or you can remove it from the QGIS. Another one way which you can add data, you can go directly from here and explore the file directory where you store your data. Select and drag to insert the layer. Now you can see it. You can view the information of your layer by right-click and open Attribute Table. From here you can explore information of your data. Now remove it, and let's add the raster data. You can add your raster data such as Landsat, Sentinel and so on from here. Just explore your raster file directory and drag it to display. Now, you can see it. You also can add your raster data from here. Layer. Add layer. Add raster layer. Find the raster file directory from your computer. Select raster you want to add. Click Open. Click Add. And Close. Now you can see it. Thanks for watching my video.